team. My 2-minute conviction today is enjoy and lean into incremental change. It's not as flamboyant and as exciting as the step changes in life where you ignite a revolution and go from one day to the next, radically different in some area of your life. But let me tell you, incremental change lasts longer. We see it in exercise. If you overload progressively a little every day, you prevent injury and get much more sustainable fitness. We see it in healthcare broadly, in that it's making lots of small, wise decisions over a lifetime that help you live longer and live better. We see it in relationships. It's not about overnight just all of a sudden building a intimate friendship with someone. It's about doing a lot of small things every day for an extended period of time that builds connection and engagement. And so it's true in our leadership development. Leadership does not develop in a day, it develops daily. And so let's not despise the seemingly benign incremental change that we make over a course of a lifetime. I want to encourage you, don't go for the big radical step changes in life. I am inclined to do that. My wife is coaching me regularly about the value, the wisdom of lots of consistent small changes that build lifetime habits. And so I want to encourage you the same. Let's be people who lean in to incremental change. We will get far more longevity out of our convictions and our decisions when we make small, wise decisions regularly that last. I hope that encourages you. Have a great week.